Standard Time. Issued at 3:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 6 inches. Where? Portions of central and south central Virginia. When? From 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Call 511 for road information. Repeating, a winter storm warning has been issued from 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday for the following counties: in Virginia, Dinwiddie, Lunenburg, Nodaway, Prince Edward, and Prince George. Issued at 3:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? Portions of eastern and southeast Virginia. When? From 10 a.m. Wednesday to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Call 511 for road information. Repeating, a winter storm warning has been issued from 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday for the following counties: in Virginia, James City, Surrey, and Sussex. Issued at 3:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Wednesday morning through Thursday afternoon. What? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches possible. Where? Portions of central, east central, and north central Virginia. When? From Wednesday morning through Thursday afternoon. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. Repeating, a winter storm watch remains in effect from 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday for the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Caroline, Charles City, Cumberland, Eastern Chesterfield including Colonial Heights, Eastern Hanover, Eastern Henrico, Eastern King and Queen, Eastern King William, Eastern Louisa, Fluvanna, Goochland, New Kent, Powhatan, Western Chesterfield, Western Hanover, Western Henrico including City of Richmond, Western King and Queen, Western King William, and Western Louisa. The 3 a.m. area weather observations. At Richmond, partly cloudy. Temperature 33, dew point 12, relative humidity 41%. Wind west, 9 miles an hour. Pressure 30.16 inches and steady. At Chesterfield, partly cloudy. Temperature 29, dew point 14, relative humidity 53%. Wind calm. Pressure 30.17 inches and steady. Across the rest of central Virginia, Petersburg, partly cloudy, and 29. Hanover, partly cloudy, and 29. Charlottesville, mostly cloudy, and 30. Fredericksburg, mostly cloudy, and 29. Wakefield, partly cloudy, and 26. To the north, west, and south, Washington, D.C., mostly cloudy, and 31. Stanton, mostly cloudy, and 26. Roanoke, partly cloudy, and 30. Lynchburg, mostly cloudy, and 30. South Hill, clear, and 32. Near the coast and over North Carolina, Norfolk, clear, and 37. Virginia Beach, clear, and 35. Raleigh, partly cloudy, and 30. The weather synopsis. A significant winter storm will impact the area from Wednesday through Thursday. Dry but very cold weather is expected Thursday night. Now the official National Weather Service forecast. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Wednesday morning through Thursday afternoon. Today, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Cold with lows in the lower 20s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday, snow. Snow accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Much colder with highs in the mid-20s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. snow 90%. Wednesday night, snow. Additional light snow accumulation. Cold with lows around 20. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A 40% chance of snow. Little or no additional snow accumulation. Cold with highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Cold with lows around 15. Friday, sunny. Highs around 40. Friday night, clear. Cold with lows around 20. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 30. Monday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Marine forecast. Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Small craft advisory in effect from this evening through Wednesday morning. Through 7 a.m., northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Today, north winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Tonight, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots after midnight. Waves 1 to 2 feet, building to 2 to 3 feet after midnight. Wednesday, north winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Waves 2 to 3 feet. A chance of snow in the morning, then snow in the afternoon with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Wednesday night, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming north 20 to 25 knots after midnight. Waves 3 to 4 feet. Snow. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Thursday, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Waves 3 to 4 feet. A chance of snow. Visibility 1 nautical mile or less in the morning. Thursday night, northwest winds 25 to 30 knots with gusts up to 35 knots. Waves 4 to 5 feet. Friday, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, diminishing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Gusts up to 35 knots. Waves 4 to 5 feet. Friday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Saturday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southwest 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Saturday night, southwest winds 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. The current time is 3:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.